I am from Team Garuda, and we choose the smart transport operational platform as our problem statement. The core challenge was these fleet companies today managing everything manually. Dispatch trucks, tracking drivers, scheduling maintenance, monitoring fuel cost, handling compliance. All of it scatters across spreadsheets and WhatsApp messages. So we built Transit, or a full stack operation platform that brings your entire fleet into one place. So in this entire platform, we have total 6 distinct roles: fleet manager, dispatcher, driver, safety officer, financial analytics, and the admin. So once you are login, so I'm logging with the fleet manager. You see the dashboard which shows they are currently open. Now you can go to the vehicles in which you can check your entire vehicle system, which vehicles are attached with your system. You can simply add a new vehicle in which you can add their vehicle registration number, the name, the type, if it's truck or anything, the acquisition cost, the total capacity which can lift by the particular vehicle, the region in which region you acquired, in the odometer range. Also the initial documents which you attach with the vehicle, like RC book. And after you have to, this is the RC book. Then so you can check that the particular truck is updated here and it's now available. So you can check all the available trucks here. Now let me show you the trips, the main feature. This is where the real intelligence comes. So in which our dispatch, then after the cargo weight, how much weight is the cargo, the distance, and the total revenue. So now the smart recommendation will suggest you a particular the vehicle and its driver. So you can simply apply that, or you can change override with it by manual. So you can select any vehicle except the vehicle which has the insufficient capacity. So like this vehicle has the 800 kg capacity and the cargo has total 1200 kg weight. So you cannot bring that. So I am taking it as it is. And also the drivers which are the license or expired, or they does not have in a capability or low score, they cannot be drive this cargo. Thereafter you can complete this draft. This will confirm you every details, the destination, the cargo weight and total distance, and you can dispatch the trip. Okay. So this trip is onboarded. It's right now is active. You can make it complete or you can cancel. After completing, you need to enter the final kilometer and that will consume later. So I'm entering it. Okay. So you can see this the particular trip is completed. Okay, now let me show you the drivers. The drivers module is managed by the safety officer. You can see each driver's license status, if it's valid or it's expired. Also, if the drivers has any issues or the safety score is low, you can update it here, and it's managed by the safety officer. So if it's performing good, the safety score is good. If there is any issue or it's not available, so it will show you like its own trip and like that. And this is managed by the safety officer. So when a license is expired or expiring soon, the system fires an automatic alert email through the safety officer and the fleet manager. So nothing slips through the unnoticed. Also now let me show you the screenshot of the emails, how it looks. Okay, now let's move to the maintenance. So maintenance takes every work order, what type of service, which vehicle cost, and the dates. When a vehicle enters the workshop, its status automatically changes into in shop to dispatcher can't accidentally assign it. When work is completed, the vehicle flips back to the available and expense entry is created automatically. For booking, the notification email goes to the manager that the particular vehicle is available. Okay, now let's see the expenses. So in expenses, there will the entire fuel cost, the logs, the maintenance charge, and everything will be stored here. The financial analyst uses this to calculate the vehicle ROI and the spot in efficiency.
Okay, now let's me show you the particular admin dashboard. So admin has the basically super role. He can access literally anything in the particular website. So this is the full overview of the admin. It's like the key performance indicator of the site, the total vehicle, the deliveries, the active trips, the utilizations in maintenance, and the safety scores, and total net profit of the entire their business. Okay, so the admins have the unrestricted access to the every module and the every action across the platform. They sees the all the tabs, inherits all the permissions, flags, and the identity by the districts red badges. The user module lets the admin create the new users or assign the new members, like I'm assigning a new dispatcher, their email and their passwords, and their role is dispatcher, and I created new user. So like that admin can create new users. Also they can edit their roles to, like, I'm making them fleet manager, like that they can manage it. The summary of this entire is the transit OPS gives you the smart dispatch system with recommendation, the real-time fleet and driver management, automated compliance tracking, the financial visibility, and the full transactional email notification system. And everything runs on the Node.js plus PostgreSQL backend with a Next.js frontend built by the team Garuda. Thank you.